guy's backing out.
Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 CFMOTO UFORCE 1000 XL. This is a beautiful big side-by-side utility with a dump bed, 6-passenger, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive with locking differentials. It's got a horn, rear view mirrors, and top, 3-point safety harness for all the passengers, alloy wheels, fuel injected, 3,500 pound winch, automatic transmission, tilt steering. The thing is loaded. It's got 3 passengers, or you can drop it down in the middle for a cup rest. Thing is amazing. The dump bed operates very easily. Just pull the little handle and she pops up. This bike, this unit, this side-by-side is only $14,499 plus freight, prep, tax, and license. It's a lot of unit for the money. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Oh, it has power steering. Come on by, check it out. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.